To connect the DJI Mini mic to a DJI Osmo Nano camera, I'll turn on the Osmo camera. Hello, I'm here. I'm not just a disembodied voice. We will swipe down from the top into settings, and on the Nano we have a dedicated wireless mic button. So I'll click on that, and we have two options. We can either connect the Mic Mini to the TX1 input or the TX2 input. TX stands for transmitter. Let's choose TX1. And the menu screen here says power on, Osmo audio and pair. There's also a linking guide to guide you through how to connect with the Mic Mini. On the DJI Mic Mini, we will hold down the linking button. It looks like a chain. And can you see it's blinking off and on, blue and green? I'll let go of the link button. It will carry on flashing on those two colours. Oh, now here it says Osmo audio not found. Now I think the reason that has happened is because I had my Mic 2 connected to this. So I'm going to hit the reconnect button, and it says power on, Osmo audio and pair. So I'll hold down the link button and it's flashing blue and green alternatively again. And on the camera it now says Osmo battery level 40%, Osmo audio connected, and we have a solid blue light on the microphone here. Beneath this display on the DJI Nano, we have transmitter 1 settings, so we can change settings in the microphone from the camera. I won't go through all of them because they will change over time. You can have a play with those yourself, but the one I use a lot is the LED button, so I can just toggle this LED switch on and off. And I haven't turned the microphone off, I've just turned the LED light on and off because sometimes it's distracting when you're filming. I've now connected the DJI Mic Mini to my Osmo Nano, and this is how the DJI Mic Mini transmitter wireless microphone sounds on my DJI Osmo Nano camera. This is how the microphone sounds. What's interesting, while we're talking about small cameras with a small microphone, what I've found is that it's really easy, because it's so small, it's really easy to set it on its side because it's just the square shape there. So this microphone's pointing in the other direction, and if I keep talking, hopefully you won't hear too much of a difference, but this is a difference between the microphone pointing out to the side and the microphone oriented towards my voice. I don't know if you can hear a difference there. I'm just saying it's really easy to have this pointing in all kinds of directions because it's so small. It's fantastic.